Hello there. In this video, I will be showing you how to use the Video Production Manager Notion template. So the first thing that you see when you open the template is this dashboard. We have mainly three databases: the projects database, the tasks database, and the clients database. Let's start with the projects database. Let's open one of the entries. So each project has a title, a status, a relation to the clients database, a manager person property, a deadline, shooting date, a progress from the tasks. So basically it's the completion rate of the tasks, the budget, and the invoice status. And we can see it is related to tasks. So it is related to tasks, and each task have a task name, status, assignee, due date, priority, and stage. And if we scroll down, we can see that we have a section here to manage your scripts. So you can simply start by creating a script name and track their status, and you can simply open the page and write down the script right here. Let's go back now. So here in this database we have multiple views. So we have this simple table view that only shows the active projects, so anything that has to do or in progress, so that is not completed yet. We have a pipeline view of the status, so you can move the project across the pipeline until it's completed. We have the invoices pipeline, so this invoice status, so you can keep track of all the projects that have not been invoiced yet or have not been paid yet. We have a calendar of shooting dates for each project, so basically it's based on this shooting date. We have the list of completed projects and a list of all the projects. So now let's move on to the tasks. So as you can see here, we have a table view of active tasks, so any task that is not completed yet, to do, and in progress. And we do also have a board view of the tasks, so you can move the tasks across this pipeline. So we have not started, in progress, and done or cancelled. We have tasks grouped by projects. So let's say we create a new task. Let's say it's task example, and let's select another project. Let's select project 3. So we can see we have a new group is created. So it's grouped based on the project. Once it's done, it's gonna disappear from this view. We have the tasks grouped by the stage. So this is the stage. As you can see, we have pre-production, production, and post-production. We have the completed tasks and a list of all the tasks. And now let's move on to the third database. It's the clients database. So here you can manage all the clients. Let's open one of the entries. So we can see each client has a client name, email, phone number, and projects count. That counts how many projects we have, and it is related to projects. So once you open the page, you can see all the projects that you have done or you are currently working with this client. Let's start by creating a new project. So let's say the client is Simo. So if it's not in the database, we can create a new entry. You can say the manager is me, the deadline is 31, the shooting date is 28, the budget is 10,000, and the invoice status is draft. We can open this project and we can list all the tasks that we have. So if you have recurring tasks that you usually do for each new project, you can simply edit this button, so you can include all the tasks that you have. For this example, we have this task that is pre-production task example. So if you click on it, it's gonna create this task and link it to this project, so you don't have to write down those tasks each time. So if you have multiple tasks, all you need to do is come here, click on three dots, edit, and we'll go to these exact buttons. We'll click on edit button, and you can simply duplicate it. And let's say we have a production task example. Let's say it's production, and let's duplicate it again. Let's say we have another one for post-production. We can do it for all the tasks that you want to load each time you click the button. So this way is going to be easy for you to start a new project. Let's click on done. Let's go back. So now let's go back to this project. We will need to rerun the template, so we will have the latest changes. So let's run the template. Let's remove this for now. If we click on load tasks, so we can see that the tasks that we have just created are now appearing here. So you can just select the assignee, the due date, priority, etc. And if we go now, we can see that those tasks are appearing on the main dashboard. So you don't have to go for individual projects to see their tasks. You can go here and see all of those tasks. And once you put a task into done, it's gonna disappear from this view. And if we check the project again, we can see that those tasks are done. And for the scripts, you can simply create the scripts and track their status. Draft in progress, done. And you can open the page and write down the script inside. And yeah, as you can see here, the client name Simo is appearing here, so you can just fill out all the information. And this is all for this template. See you in the next video.